Precise, easy to use and safe. That is our portfolio of electrical pliers. Ideal for any application. Which models are suitable for various tasks? Today, let's find out. Hi, I'm Anthony Haynes. I'm the Product and Training Manager at ROTHENBERGER UK, and today we're looking at the ROTHENBERGER electrical pliers. I'll show you what they can do, why they're so special, and how they make your work easier. So let's get started. Let's start with our edge cutters. We have both power edge cutters and standard edge cutters. All edge cutters have an inductively hardened blade, ensuring a long service life. And with the standard edge cutter, you can cut soft to hard wire or cable with little effort. The special wave profile at the top of the blade ensures that the cables do not slip away, and in addition, you can easily cut in tight spaces with the tip of the blade. If the wire is too hard, we have our power edge cutter. This one has optimal leverage and can cut hard wire up to 2.5 millimeters. Moving on to the electric power combination pliers, this tool offers an integrated ring wrench for screws of M8 or M10, which is very practical. The notch here at the tip is useful for bending wires. They also have an inductively hardened blade. In addition, it has an asymmetrical gripping function at the top to securely handle round and flat materials. The grooves on the outside are to help you grip the plier when they're in your pocket. Stripping cables, no problem with the multi-insulation stripper pliers. Unlike many other pliers, this one doesn't have an adjustment screw, saving you time. The diamond blade at the top is used to strip cable. With the tip of the pliers, you can strip single or multi-core cables. Additionally, this plier has a sharp blade. The classic telephone pliers or long nose pliers, of course, they can't be missing. They're ideal for grabbing small cables with the long tip and the serrated gripping surface even in hard to reach places. Once again, you have an integrated ring wrench for screws M6 to M8. So this, my personal favourite, is the Ergonomic long nose pliers. These installation pliers combine 5 functions in one tool. With them, you can grip, you can cut, you can strip, you can crimp, and it has an integrated ring wrench for screws M6 to M8. Thanks to the angle of the pliers, you can hold them much more ergonomically when you use them, and the integrated spring opens the pliers. As you might have seen, each plier has a hook attached to the handle. So it's not just there to hang your pliers, you can attach our e-detector to it. With this, it's a small practical voltage tester that detects AC voltage between 90 and 1000 volts. When the light glows red, it means caution. There's still power running. Its small design allows it to fit well in tight spaces, and it also has a small integrated flashlight. Our 6 electric pliers are for anyone who values quality and precision. Whether cutting or stripping or gripping, all our pliers also offer an ergonomic handle that is great to hold. So which pliers do you like best? Please write it in the comments, and if you want to know more about our tools, feel free to subscribe to the channel. All information and links are in the video description. So we'll see you next time. Ciao.